Welcome to an enlightening video that explores the numerous advantages of solar energy for home use. Are you ready to embrace a bright future by harnessing the power of the sun to meet your household's energy needs efficiently and sustainably? If so, then this video is for you. Imagine reducing your utility bills while reducing your carbon footprint. With solar energy, this becomes a reality. By utilizing the sun's power, you can save money on your monthly expenses while contributing to a cleaner and greener planet. In this video, we will delve into the various solar technologies available for residential use. From solar panels to solar water heaters, we will show you how these technologies seamlessly integrate into your home, providing you with a reliable source of renewable energy. But what about the financial aspect? We understand that investing in solar energy can be a big decision. That's why we will also explore the financial incentives, tax credits, and rebates that make solar energy an economically viable choice. You'll discover how these incentives can help offset the initial cost and make solar energy an affordable and wise investment. By joining the solar revolution, you are not only benefiting your own home but also paving the way towards a greener, cleaner, and more sustainable future for the planet. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that you are making a positive impact and leaving a legacy for future generations. Don't miss out on the opportunity to unlock the incredible benefits of solar energy. Watch this informative video now and click the link in the description to learn more. Start your journey towards a brighter future today.